at Bero, we're looking at AI in two respects. One is, of course, in terms of what is our offering to customers. So what we sell as our platform in terms of procurement intelligence, in terms of autonomous negotiation technology. And secondly, we're also looking at AI internally. How can I use the latest AI technology that makes our product development cycles faster? So we can release features faster. We can go and test new concepts and ideas with our customers faster. I think the power of AI is to simplify that access to data. And if you see why something like ChatGPT has been the success is it makes that access to AI very easy, it democratizes that. And I think that's what our B2B technology world is hopefully waiting for, which is give me something very simple that I can talk to my data and only really focus on what data I need to get a decision done or an action that I need to take, rather than just have more data for the sake of another dashboard because it looks nice, right? So I think there are a couple of areas where we at Bero, we see there will be more that's coming, which is one, I would say, hyper-personalization when it comes to supplier relationships as well as stakeholder relationships. And I think AI is going to be at the center of that. How do you empower the procurement professionals to build those very, very personalized relationships with the business, but also with their external stakeholders? And secondly, I would say it's about how do you create those interconnections between macro events and micro events, which balances your knee-jerk reaction, something just happened, how do I react, but also your future strategy. And I hope that in 25, 26, we see that there is this emergence, because we are seeing a lot of companies and there is proliferation of a lot of tools and AI tech that's out there. Hopefully, it's easier for them to find the right solution for their business.